Samsung's dominance in the foldable phone market continues with its highly anticipated upcoming release, the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5. Over the years, the clamshell device has undergone consistent improvements, and the Galaxy Z Flip 4 particularly impressed users with its solid performance, excellent cameras, commitment to regular updates, and enhanced battery life. As Samsung prepares to launch its next iteration, there are high expectations for further enhancements. Here's what we know so far. In the past 3 years, Samsung has unveiled new foldable phones in August. It was initially anticipated that the Galaxy Z Flip 5 would follow this trend and launch alongside the Galaxy Z Fold 5 in August 2023. However, Samsung surprised us by confirming in June that the new lineup of foldables would debut at the end of July in its home country of Seoul. One area where the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5 is expected to excel is design. Samsung is rumored to introduce a new hinge mechanism that will significantly reduce display creasing. Industry expert Ross Young revealed that the company has reworked the hinge, resulting in a less visible crease. It's believed that Samsung has developed a teardrop-style hinge similar to those found in the Oppo Find N2 Flip and Google Pixel Fold, which should minimize creasing. Additionally, it is expected that the two sides of the foldable display will be able to close flat on top of each other without a noticeable gap in the middle. Renowned leaker Yogesh Brar shared several specifications for the Z Flip 5 in June. Notably, Brar mentioned that the phone will feature the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, specifically the Galaxy model present in the Galaxy S23 series. Furthermore, Brar revealed that the phone will sport a 6.7 inches FHD plus AMOLED display on the inside, while the cover display will measure 3.4 inches with an HD resolution. The Z Flip 5 is expected to offer 8GB of RAM, along with a choice of 128GB or 256GB of internal storage. It will also be equipped with a 700mAh battery, supporting 25-watt wired charging and standard Qi-compatible wireless charging. Brar also provided information on the camera setup. According to the leaker, the Galaxy Z Flip 5 will feature a dual rear camera system, comprising a 12-megapixel main camera and a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens. While this may disappoint those expecting substantial camera improvements to rival other flagship phones, Brar did mention the possibility of new image sensors, which could lead to significant enhancements in image quality. As smartphone prices continue to rise, Samsung has maintained a consistent pricing strategy in recent years. The Galaxy Z Flip 4 launched at $999 for the 128GB variant, the same price as the Galaxy Z Flip 3. This competitive pricing has made the clamshell device a tough competitor in the foldable phone market. Thankfully, according to reliable tipster Yogesh Brar, Samsung plans to offer the Galaxy Z Flip 5 at the same price point of $999. However, it's important to note that pricing is subject to change until the official launch. Therefore, we'll have to wait and see if this rumor holds true. So, if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more content like this, and we'll see you next time.